Well, hi there, and welcome back to Music in a Minute. This week we'll be learning how to make our first beat in Soundtrap. The first thing you'll want to do is create a free account on soundtrap.com. It just takes a few moments. Next, you'll enter into the studio and you'll click on Music for your new project and the Patterns Beatmaker. The Patterns Beatmaker is a really easy to use but powerful tool. And to set it up first, I'm going to click on Cycle, and I'm going to limit the number of measures that repeat or cycle to just 2 measures so that we can hear our beat while we're making it. I'm going to hit play, and we're going to start out with our kick drum or bass drum pulsing on every beat, and that's going to create the foundation of our beat. There we go. The next thing we're going to add is the backbeat or the snare drum. That's the part of the music that people usually clap along to during a song on beats 2 and beats 4. There we go, cool. And the last thing I'm going to add is the hi-hat cymbal. It's a crisp sound, and I'm going to put that on an offbeat that's going to give it a little bit of a dance feel. Nice. And maybe 2 kicks on that last beat. All right, well that's been Music in a Minute, how to build your first beat in Soundtrap.